Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot of number of people that use Android phone does not know that there are some apps on their phone that spy on their phone call. As a result of that, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to stop any apps that spy on your phone call in order to maintain your privacy on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing to do is to make sure we enable developer mode on our Android phone. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to head over to our Android phone right there and go to settings in our Android phone. So go to settings, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. So what you need to do right there is to simply type in build number. Then click on search. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on build number, which is under system above of the phone. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So under the build number right here, what you need to do is to continue to tap the build number until you are enabled. So a step away from being a developer. Now you are now a developer. It's that simple. All right, after you have successfully enabled developer mode option on your Android phone, next thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings again. So what I'm going to do is to simply click on settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on search settings. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to simply type in developer. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to click on developer options. Then it's going to take you to all features in developer mode. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. In developer section, continue to scroll down until you see restrict SMS and call log access. What you need to do is to simply turn on this button. It's that simple. Only default phone and messaging app have SMS and call log permission. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop apps from spying on your phone or on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.